Okay, we're at the top of the house here, and I just put the cap back on the chimney. Now, I didn't go quite as planned because I forgot a screwdriver. But luckily, one of the clamps was I had to wedge it on a little bit with my fingers, and I was able to get it over that. I thought I had more pipe sticking up, so this is not how I thought I was going to put it on. But I still think it might hold. If that silicone can harden before it rains, that clamps on there pretty snug, and with that silicone I think it's going to hold it. So is it perfectly straight? I don't know, maybe not, but I'm up in the air as a ways, so it's kind of uncomfortable sitting on this. So I think we're going to call it good, and we're going to hope it stays. If not, we'll be making another one and give it another shot. But at least I'll document here by watching this video what I got to deal with. Hardly room to get two clamps on there, even if I had the screwdriver with me. Okay, so I need to get down carefully. I already let the caulking slide down, so got to stay in this ridge. I thought I'd put some stepping things on there, but there's too much asphalt shingles here, so this is one of the roofs that needs to be done right here. Over there is done. Okay, let's get down carefully.